So we're testing BF5 up to 120 degrees. And the reason that we're doing this is because the U.S. military, as well as a lot of our partner nations, intend to use their aircraft in temperatures up to 120 degrees. So the process to get ready for testing is they have an array of solar lamps positioned above the aircraft, and then they also use their systems in the lab to set the ambient temperature to be whatever we need it to be, either 103 or 120 degrees. At the beginning of testing, we simulate essentially a day's worth of solar exposure to the aircraft, and then send a pilot out to the airplane, and we'll go through a normal startup and then simulate both conventional ops as well as STOVL ops. In mode 1, we go all the way up to 150% full afterburner, and then while we're in mode 4, we go through all the way up to a simulated vertical takeoff at 100%. The main thing that we're looking at during hot testing is how the electronics or avionics respond to being exposed to such high temperatures. We didn't really see any major issues during hot testing, which was good, and actually the thermal management system on the aircraft performed better than expected. My favorite part was just seeing the setup in the lab with the solar lamps and being able to go in and experience that extreme temperature, and then sitting in the control room and walking the pilots through all of our testing was just a very interesting and rewarding experience.